Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned and watch until the end because there's a surprise waiting for you. This week we're celebrating spring and warm weather with an arugula spring salad and a zesty chicken. So put on your apron and let's start cooking. For the chicken you'll need chicken breasts, sour cream, plain Greek yogurt, lemon juice and zest, olive oil, garlic cloves, paprika, salt and pepper, panko breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning. First, you'll want to tenderize the chicken. Let's make the marinade by combining the Greek yogurt, the sour cream, the olive oil, the lemon juice and zest, the garlic cloves, the paprika, salt and pepper. Pour the marinade over the chicken and coat the meat completely with it. Marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. While the chicken marinates, we'll make the balsamic reduction for a salad. You'll need balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, and garlic cloves. Combine all the ingredients in a saucepan and bring to a boil, then quickly lower the heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Pour your reduction in a bowl and let it cool. While we're at it, let's go ahead and make our roasted pecans for our salad too. You'll need pecans, butter, brown sugar, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper. In a skillet, melt the butter at medium-low heat and add the pecans. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, then add the spices and cook for another 5 minutes. Set the pecans in a bowl for later. Now let's head back to our famous chicken. Mix the panko in Italian seasonings. Place the chicken on a cooling rack on a cooking sheet covered in aluminum paper. Put the panko mix on top of the chicken breasts, making small mounds. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is cooking, let's prep our salad. You'll need arugula salad, halloumi cheese, half of a lemon's juice, pears, olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. In a bowl, combine the oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Cube your pears. In a salad bowl, combine the arugula, the pears, and 3/4 of your roasted pecans. Add the simple vinaigrette and toss so that all the ingredients are coated in it. We're almost there, guys. In serving bowls, add the salad, top with 2 slices of halloumi and some roasted pecans as garnish. Finally, drizzle some balsamic reduction and serve with the chicken. You'll fall in love with the lemon mixed with the paprika, and if you take a bite of the chicken with the salad, you won't be able to stop. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment what you'd like to see me cook or bake next. Special scene. Lights, camera, action.